This is the wood preparation. This is the cutting of the wood. This type of wood is called the iron wood. Very, very hard wood, and it takes hard work to cut it into pieces that are required by the wooden carvers. See these two gentlemen here? They are helping one another using a hand saw to cut the wood into pieces. It's really hard. So there is a division of labor. We do have some that will cut the wood, some will do the carving, some will do the polishing as well. So ngibona ubaza la ngibona ukuthi kuhamba njani. I managed to meet some of the guys who are sculptors. They make the sculptures out of wood, stone and metal. So these are the guys that are based in Victoria Falls in Africa. So I got a chance to interview 2 or 3 guys, and we got to hear what they are saying about their business and also how COVID-19 has affected their business. So let's watch and hear what they have to say. Ngitshela ibizo lakho bra ukuthi lokho kwenzayo ukwenza njani ubaza ngesihlahla bani
Ngimwinde lokho sizama big 5 la iron so they so iyabisenza $7.
Alright.
Then iyabisenza $30.
Alright. So isihlahla bani lesi iron wood. Alright. So wena uyazidingela izigodo kumbe uyazithenga somewhere kumbe
mina ngihamba ema-reserve ngiyethenga then bese ngithwala ngemota sengiletha ngapha.
Alright. So okay, so lawe uyakupromote abanye lawo then lawo uzopromota ngapha
nami
the experience la. Alright. This man here is a Zambian by birth, but he works here in Victoria Falls. He is a sculptor. He specializes in making chess sets. He carves the chess set. So let's just hear something from him. The sound is poor, but let's hope for the subtitles will help a lot. All right. All right. All right. All right. But bakhona yini abanye abantwana bakho abazayo labo njengawo?
Hayi.
Yebo. Ngoba yenza okunye kuthini?
Wina South Africa, wina strike yasebenza ku company yama
that's good. All right. No kuhle siya. Ngitshila ku like in a order price. Kana iri order price mthintu what the sera. Let's say ndikuda kutenga 4 or 5. $30 or 15 books, then 15 books. All right.
Any kind of order. So what maybe can amount next time. No one to a number. Right? I say.
Yeah.
And
all right.
So no pay no order. No price of order. I think both two we are and I.
And
what's the Takashan? There's the corona. There's no one of our aunt or Edison. I'm going to buy a rar. I don't think I'm Cape Town.
Okay. My name is Kumpira Bushu. I'm an artist. I'm specialized in making chess pieces, especially different sizes. Big sizes, small size, especially this one is 40 by 40. This is a medium size. I can make even 100 by 100 It's a big size.
Okay.
I can even make warrior chases.
Yeah.
Figures. A chase with figures with
The warriors. The
warriors.
players are warriors.
Yeah.
So when did you start making chess sets like this?
Now I started in 1993.
So now you are growing with experience.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm even teaching others how to make this.
That's good. So do you have kids?
What?
Kids? You
Yes.
have children?
Yes, I've got kids.
So you take them to school due to this?
Yes.
Okay. That's good.
One is already finished school, but only that jobs in our country is a problem. So I'm trying to put them back to my
trade.
to teach them to my trade. I'm teaching them my job.
But is there any other kid who is carving like you? Or who's taking from your food?
At the moment, they are trying something.
Okay.
But when they fail, I will try to
teach them. Since you are a teacher as well.
Since I'm an artist.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much for your time.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, this man is a carver. There is a wooden carver. He makes different things. As you can see, these are tables with the animals underneath. The other one, the one that is holding, is finished. It only needs polishing. Then the other one on the left, it's still under process. It needs to be finished up. As you can see, the top is still rough there, but this is the man who makes it happen. And also he has some other smaller stuff that you can see. Those elephants there, they are chain elephants in a bridge, like it's a whole head of elephants. And also the other one, which is standing on two legs, that's his art. So let's hear from him what he has to say about his art. Brother, can you tell us your name, just in brief?
My name is Tawira Mtets.
Yes, when did you start making these wooden carvings?
I started in 1996.
So now this is
when
an
I was
experience.
too young.
Yeah.
Because my father used to do this work.
Okay.
He has a good name in art called
really?
Mutezi, J. Mutezi.
Okay.
So I inherited from my father, and my brothers are also artists again in sculpture.
Oh, that's good.
So we are a family of art.
That's good.
That's why we define art as it is.
So do you have children?
I have children, yes.
Do you have some that are doing what you're doing now, like carving?
Yeah, some are doing their in Kwekwe.
Okay.
Yes.
So are they doing the wooden carving or stone carvings?
Are doing paintings.
Paintings. That's good also. That's art as well.
Yes.
Okay. So how long does it take you to make something like this chain elephant that I'm seeing here?
This chain elephant,
Yeah.
I made it from ironwood. So ironwood is a very hard wood. So to come up with a chain of about 9 elephants like this, we have to start by chiseling. Chisel work is done and some machine work.
Okay.
You have to have a concentration in pictures to see how the ring goes, and the finishing must be very good. As you can see, the accuracy of the finishing, the skin, you see, the skin.
Yeah, it looks like real skin.
Yes. So I took about 1.5 months to finish this only.
Okay.
This chain.
Oh wow, that's quite a lot of time.
Yes.
That's
As you can see in this piece, I took about a year working on it.
Okay.
Working on it. A year.
I see. That's good.
As you can see, the design of its edges.
Yeah.
They are elephant on its edges.
Yeah.
Different sizes. You can see that the work, there's a lot of labor there.
Yeah.
It's working. But inside there, it's just like a vase inside. Yes.
Yeah, it's hollow inside. That's good. That's a good piece. Okay, say thank you so much for your time. Thank you so much for showing us your art. what would you say for people who want to buy, let's say they want to buy for resale, they're buying in bulk or maybe just for selling in the shops? Do you have a special price for those people?
Yes, we can talk about the price because I'm the one who's manufacturing it. So we have to bargain on price.
Okay.
We are free to bargain.
Okay, yes. That's good. So can you give us your number, your cell phone number, so that those who can see this video, if they want to call you, they can contact you?
Okay. My cell phone number is 0775 341140.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
That's good.
Okay, this is the unfinished products. This is an elephant, and this looks like a lion to me. Yeah, so this is how the wood will look like before they even finish it, to carve it into something that is lookable. As you can see there is an elephant, the one that is finished. It needs polishing only. So this is an elephant that you see here. This is done in Africa. It's done in Zimbabwe, in Victoria Falls. The bigger one there, that's a big 5. Let's hope it can come out clear. That's a big 5. And we do have the smaller one right here. So it needs finishing to come out perfectly. It's a big 5. Elephant there. And we have a lion, a leopard on the other side, and the buffalo. And we do have a rhino at the bottom. This is the big 5 made out of ironwood. This is the hardest wood, and I'm told this is about 1.3 meters. So they can make any size. So if you want to place your order, you can talk to these guys, then they can help you with whatever you want. So if you bring a picture or a photo, they can carve whatever you want. Okay, let's hear from the owner what he has to say.
Hello, my name is Mashonga. My full name is Kudakwashi Mashonga, so I'm all known as Mashonga. I'm one of the artists here, so I'm the one who make the elephant, the big 5. We use ironwood to carve the wood, to carve the pieces here. So we welcome all the buyers from around the world, as our art that we made is going around the world. We do it people around the world. So if anyone who may wish to buy from us, even online, we can give good price order and price for those who want to order in bulk for reselling. We can also give the good price for order and price, so that you can also be able to ship your pieces to your country. I think that's all what I can say.
Okay, can you tell us about COVID-19? How has it affected your business so far?
Oh my, COVID-19 has actually paralyzed our business.
Yeah.
I can say since the first lockdown in March, there is no business that we've made so far. There was no tourists, no customers. So we are just here at the shop. The shop is kind of like of deserted. Some guys have gone home, but a few guys are still here. We are still struggling to live.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you see, we've got our logs, we've got our machines, everything. We are working, but right now there's no income. So it has affected us really.
Okay.
Yes.
We wish you all the best. We hope it will normalize some other day.
Thank you.
So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
And we wish you get some customers coming to buy from you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.